ऑल राइट दोस्तों, कोर्ट की कार्रवाई आगे बढ़ाएं। तो दोस्तों, मेरे कहने का मतलब है मेरे मुवक्किल दोस्तों, आप यहां पर मौजूद तो हैं, पर अक्षय उर्फ शौर्यमन गौर मे बी एब्सकॉन्डिंग, बट अंडर द इंडियन लॉ हर एक्यूज्ड को एक हक मिलता है, द राइट टू रिप्रेजेंटेशन, और उन्होंने भेजा है अपना हुकुम का इक्का। एक ऐसा लॉयर, एक ऐसा वकील जो आज तक एक भी केस नहीं हारा, एक ऐसा वकील जिसकी आवाज ही फैसला सुना देती है। और जब भी किसी केस में डिले होता है, देरी होती है, तो पूरा देश आज भी एक ही लाइन याद करता है कि हमें मिल रही है, अरे 3 बार बोलो, ये हुए ना फैंस। लेकिन आज की शाम वो तारीख आ ही गई। ये वो आदमी है जिसके डायलॉग से सीटियां बजती है, जिसके गुस्से पर थिएटर्स खड़े हो जाते हैं, और जिसके एक हाथ ने सिनेमा के इतिहास में दो हैंडपंप्स उखाड़े हैं। वो कोर्टरूम में खड़े होते हैं तो कानून की आवाज लगते हैं, स्क्रीन पर आ गए तो हिम्मत का दूसरा नाम लगते हैं। द फादर, द लॉयर, द पावर हाउस, और सबसे बढ़कर द वन एंड ओनली हमारी इंडस्ट्री का इक्का, सनी देओल। सनी सर, व्हाट कैन आई से, बाहर बारिश हो रही है लेकिन यहां पे एक सनी डे। Thank you for bringing the sun in our life. Sunnypad, देखिए, your fans from all over the country are here. Boys and girls, make some noise. Love you, love you, love you all.
देखिए, जैसे आप लोग जानते हैं, तारीख पर तारीख चलती है। मैं भी थक गया ये तारीख पर, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इस पर कोई पक्की तारीख की बात करें।
सरीफा,
10 जुलाई को पक्की तारीख है, इक्का नेटफ्लिक्स पर पूरी दुनिया भर देखी जाएगी।
सरीफा, क्या आई मीन, यू बीन इन द इंडस्ट्री फॉर सो लॉन्ग, इतने साल हो गए, लेकिन हर बार जब इस किस्म का प्यार मिलता है, डजंट इट फील लाइक अ न्यू डे? ये प्यार कभी खत्म ना होगा।
देखिए, फिल्मों में काम कर कैरेक्टर्स, अलग अलग तरह के कैरेक्टर्स प्ले कर आप लोगों के दिलों में बैठा, और आज यही प्यार आप मुझे दे रहे हैं जो मुझे ताकत देता है, जिसकी वजह से मैं ये लाइन एज एन एक्टर कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगा। मैं चाहता था कि मैं दुनिया भर दिखूं अलग अलग तरीक़ों से, और मेरा हमेशा एक I always wanted to do a digital film, a film with Netflix, ताकि because अभी पूरी दुनिया एक ग्लोबल, एक छोटी सी हो गई है, पर वहाँ तक पहुँचना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और थ्रू Netflix मुझे यकीन है कि मैं बाकी पूरी दुनिया में जहाँ लोग शायद मुझे नहीं जानते जानना शुरू करेंगे, और शायद प्यार भी करेंगे अगर उन्हें मेरा काम पसंद आया तो।
कोर्स सरी साहब, ऑफ कोर्स दुनिया का शायद ऐसा कोई कोना नहीं जहां पर हम देसी नहीं, और जहां पर देसी पहुंच जाते हैं वहां सनी देओल का जलवा पहुंच ही जाता है. इट विल ऑलवेज बी दैट सर. और सनी सर क्या कहते हैं ना, हर उम्र के और हर दौर के और हर टाइम पे कुछ नया होता है. एंड देयर इज समथिंग न्यू हैपनिंग फॉर यू ऑल्सो. दिस इज इन अ वे योर OTT डेब्यू. All we can say is, Sunny ji, welcome to Netflix! And of course, Sunny sir, your association with Netflix, you've already spoken about it. We're all very excited to see the film also. और trailer तो आज हम यहाँ पर देखे ही देखेंगे. You clearly mentioned दुनिया छोटी हो गई है और दुनिया के अलग अलग कोनों तक के पहुंचना और वहां तक के अपना प्यार पहुंचाना बहुत जरूरी है. What do you think about इक्का and as a project जो कि आपको लोगों तक पहुंचाने में बड़ा मजा आएगा?
इक्का बहुत ही, हम हमेशा हमारी फिल्म की तारीफ ही करते हैं.
But you like that genre also, Sunny sir? The courtroom dramas which you...
डेफिनेटली मुझे दामनी के बाद मौका नहीं मिला और जैसे ये सब्जेक्ट मेरे पास आया मैं बहुत ही खुश था कि इतनी कोशिश कर रहे थे कि दामनी 2 करें, लेकिन दामनी 2 का तो कुछ हुआ नहीं, लेकिन ये फिल्म मेरे पास आई एंड इसमें अक्षय है. अक्षय के साथ मैंने बॉर्डर की थी एंड दैट वाज द फर्स्ट फिल्म वी बोथ वर टुगेदर. बहुत मज़ा आया था और इस फिल्म में भी बहुत मज़ा आया. एंड I've known him for so many years. वो मुझसे ज़्यादा अलूफ है.
lot of people would argue on that sir, but ठीक है.
But he's a gem of a guy.
Totally, sir. Totally, and thank you very much, sir, for speaking about Akshay. दोस्तों, Akshay sir, just give me Sunny sir, just give me a moment to call upon the other wonderful performers of this particular project. Now our next guest is an actor of remarkable poise, a voice of compassion, and a woman whose journey has been led by substance as much as success. I'm a big fan, and especially to see the growth and to see her over the years in multiple projects. Har film ke saath, har project ke saath, you just continue to be smitten by her. For over 2 decades, she has built a career defined by grace, versatility, and performances of remarkable depth. And today she's embracing an exciting new chapter with Netflix. From IC814 to the upcoming Operation Safed Sagar and now Ikka, she continues to be a part of stories that are powerful, purposeful, and deeply human. And in Ikka, she steps into the emotional heart of the story. A woman navigating love, loyalty, and the consequences of a world where truth is never quite what it seems. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the ever graceful Diya Mirza. मतलब क्या? Guys, come on! Stop तो नहीं होना है. Always.
Mantra, you're too sweet. Yeah,
Ma'am,
thank you.
look, listen, I will start fumbling because this is as graceful as one can get. Ma'am, off the script, always been smitten by you. But what we've begun to see in your performances, as a student of acting, it's a masterclass in making, ma'am. Thank you very much for doing what you're doing. It's beautiful. Ma'am, what about Ikka, ma'am? What made you feel so deeply towards it? I know that there is, ये केवल courtroom drama नहीं है. There is a lot of emotion. There's a lot of family values that are associated with it too.
Good evening, friends. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पर खड़े होकर सनी सर के साथ, आपके साथ मंत्रा, and of course on the launch of the trailer of a very, very, very powerful and special film, Ikka. And I mean it. When I read the script, I found it to be very compelling, very humane, and very powerful. The characterizations are so unique and so interesting and so like enticing that I had to say yes. And it is my career's privilege to be cast in a part opposite Sunny Deol sir. And I was very happy about that, really happy about that, because it meant so much to me. I've always admired the Deol family for being kind and generous and rooted, and he is everything I imagined him to be and more. I said this at the teaser, when we launched the teaser, And then, of course, to be in a film that has these other forces like Tilotama Shom and Akshay Khanna. And it's just, my God, it's just incredible. And Siddharth has done a beautiful job with telling the story sensitively and very cleverly.
Well said, ma'am. Well said, and absolutely right. ये जो एक तो कमाल की जोड़ी, this is exactly what we've been wanting to see, and I'm glad that both of them have come together. And the way Diya ma'am has mentioned about the other wonderful talent associated with this project, so let's move forward and call them on stage also. वक्त है एक और powerhouse performance को stage पर बुलाने का, and this is a very personal victory for a lot of people from the Mumbai theatre circuit who have seen her do wonderful work on stage and of course on screen also. एक ऐसी एक्टर जिन्होंने हमें बार बार दिखाया है कि ब्रिलियंस को कभी अनाउंस करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. From Delhi Crime to Lust Stories to Sare Jahan Se Acha, she continues to redefine what powerful performance looks like. She doesn't enter a scene, she inhabits it. Fearless in her choices, unconventional in her journey, formidable in her craft. Every time she appears on screen, she leaves behind something every actor chases, but very few achieve. Complete believability. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the incomparable, the phenomenal, the force of nature that is from watching her at almost this much distance on stage performing with her to now on stage, I'm saying this, to being a fan, always been a fan, but
Me too.
Tilotama, what an amazing journey, and it continues with every milestone, every project. Your fans, your friends, people backstage, everyone talks about how inspiring it has been. But what a pleasure to see you in Ikka and the kind of performance that you're about to give. I have a sneak peek, so I can say that. But how's your experience been, Tilly?
मंत्रा you'll understand ना 25 साल लग गए इस मंच पे आने के लिए तो it is quite crazy. My beloved husband still can't believe I'm doing a film with Sunny Deol. He understands that Diya and I could be in the same world at some point of time, but this for him was, but I think, Mantra, like what we learnt in theatre is the power of the ensemble. And I felt that again in this film as well. Sid treated me like a star. And Diya gave me so much love from even before I started the film. And Sunny sir, and in brackets somewhere Pankaj, you have very kind eyes, and I'm very happy to have worked with you. And Netflix, thank you very much. This is our 6th party together. Yeah. And I hope we have many more. And I never saw Akshay Khanna smile, but one day I was leaving after pack up, and this man was coming towards me smiling. So I just smiled and walked off, and then he said, Tilotama. And I turned back, and it was Akshay Khanna, but I couldn't recognize because वो smile कर रहे थे. So that was also very lovely, you know. बस बहुत हो गया.
That is amazing. That's going to remain now. To what?
Yeah, off screen.
No, but Tilly, I see the moist in your eyes, and it is a moment. It is a moment for all of us, your friends, your fans who have followed your work, from here to beyond. Loads and loads of love to Tilotama Shom, ladies and gentlemen. And for Sunny sir, for guiding an entire industry for so many years, and Diya Mirza with every project, just continuing to glow like the sun. And now that we have met the cast, अब भाई arguments से आगे बढ़ते हैं. Time to move the arguments to evidence, क्योंकि अभी भी ये कोर्ट रूम है, प्लीज आप भूलिएगा मत. the much awaited trailer. But before we place the evidence before the court, आप ही के प्रोजेक्ट में मैंने सुना है ऐसा क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट देना पड़ता है. दिया मैम सबसे पहले इस ट्रेलर से पहले, बिकॉज ट्रेलर के साथ नाउ यू आर गिविंग इट टू द वर्ल्ड, इट्स अ गिफ्ट टू द वर्ल्ड, योर क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट टुवर्ड्स दिस एज अ लॉयर इफ यूड लाइक टू एक्चुअली.
You're gonna have so much fun.
भाई क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट तो आपसे भी फिल्म में कई बार मांगा गया था, तो बताइए क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट बिफोर वी प्ले द ट्रेलर.
ये ट्रेलर 2.5 किलो से काफी ज्यादा मजेदार है. देखिए.
Oh, there's something special. अब ट्रेलर के अंदर ही आप देखोगे तब आपका मजा आएगा. सनी सर, आई डोंट डेयर आस्क यू, बट स्टिल क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट दे दो ना. मैं अच्छा है,
ट्रेलर दिखा देना यार.
बस हो गया इतना, आपको इतना ही बोलना पड़ता है सनी सर.
मैं चिल्ला नहीं रहा हूँ, आहिस्ता बोल रहा हूँ, प्यार से बोल रहा हूँ.
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मेरे ख्याल से सनी सर का आवाज का वेट हो रहा था. अब इन्होंने ऑर्डर दे दिया ट्रेलर चलाने का. सर इजाजत है?
इजाजत है.
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, गो टू रूम प्लीज.
Thank you.
The reason why I think Netflix can definitely expect a sudden spike in a lot of people spending all night watching more and more. ये तो पहले ही आपने रात को जो देखना स्टार्ट किया है ना, नेक्स्ट एपिसोड आ जाता है, अगली चीज आ जाती है. कैसे आदमी रात भर देखता ही रहे. Anyway, but this is amazing. I am addicted to it.
Ikka will be the Dhurandhar of Netflix.
That's a statement. Siddharth, you've got an amazing cast right over here. We were speaking off stage also about courtroom dramas. Tilly, me and Siddharth, we were speaking about how courtroom dramas as a genre, हम सबको इतना शांतता कोर्ट चालू हुआ है और रुका हुआ फैसला, such wonderful projects that we've seen as a genre. Yeah.
Court martial.
Court martial. Have you been a fan of this genre, Siddharth?
Yeah, huge fan of the genre and huge fan of Damini and Sunny sir
Yes.
from Betab.
Yeah.
It's a privilege and an honor when you get to direct Sunny sir in a film, and he is not Sunny Deol the star only because of his dialogues. जब आप इनको एज ए इंसान जान जाते हो तो आप उनके बन जाते हो. फिर आप बिना उनसे पूछे ही उनके लिए सब कुछ करने को लिए तैयार हो. He is that great a human being. I give him that respect as I would give my father. He's too good. He's too good, and I'm very, very emotionally lucky that I've got to direct him.
So glad you say that, Siddharth. And what does every you on in this particular project? Kis kisam se you've spoken about Sunny sir. What about all the other actors also? And you've got a wonderful cast, yeah.
Yeah. So this film was this was one subject which I've been wanting to tell for a very long time. And I thank Monica before even, because thanks to her I got to tell this film. But Sunny sir was always, when this film was written, there was no other cast. This is only Sunny Deol. Luckily, sir heard it, said yes. Then it was, who will play Shauryman Gaur? And we all spoke all together. And the first name that came to my head was Akshay Khanna. So it was like, karega? I said, pata nahi, script sunate hain. Went, gave him the script. It was record time in which he said yes even on this film. We gave it to him in a day. The next day he heard it, read it. In the same week he signed the contract and it was done. And Akshay is fantastic in the film. He's really, really added a lot of, I mean, I would not want to speak. I would want you all to see the film and let the film talk. As a director, so I should not speak, let the film talk. Diya has been a friend too long in my life. I've produced a beautiful show called Kafir with her, one of my favorite. It was after Hichki and Kafir were the only things I wanted to direct at one point of time. I produced that show and Diya's fabulous in that. And then I was waiting for a moment to direct her. But वो moment आ ही नहीं रहा था, and then this role came up and I said, Diya, this is the script. Graciously enough, she has accepted and allowed me to direct her in this film. And it was important for me to, besides get there, जो सनी सर और अक्षय की फैंडम है, उनको भी सर्व करना, एक सुर वो पकड़ना इस फिल्म के लिए, पर एट द सेम टाइम एक सेंसिटिव और किरदारों की जो मेरी आवाज है एज अ मेकर वो ना खो जाए. That comes beautifully through Diya and Tilotma, and beautiful scenes through Daria, the daughter, Jyoti, Sanjita, all the other people who acted in it. There are some memorable scenes for me, at least, of Sunny sir in the film. So I really thank Diya and Tilotama. When we did this, we wrote the script. Like Monica said, there was no other thought. It was Tilotama. Everybody together, Monica, Ruchika, Amit, said, this is Tilotama. Then when Sunny sir even asked, ye kaun kar raha hai? And the thing was Tilotama, so Pankaj ji was there. He said, ha, unhi ko lo. So it was a unanimous thing, and what she's brought, I've mentioned it in a birthday wish to her, and I'm saying it on stage in public, that if given a chance, I would write a role for her in every film and say, please, ye kar lo. She is amazing as a human being and as an actor, so I'm privileged to have her act in this film.
अरे बरसात ने भी हमारे थिएटर के ग्रुप से जहां पर हम लोगों ने टिली के साथ काम किया है, we've seen her, it has just been amazing. So I completely agree with you. Great choice.
Magic.
Sunny sir, how do I say this? It happens तो कि कई बार इंसान अपनी खुद के उपलब्धियों को पार कर पाना उसके लिए कई बार मुश्किल हो जाता है. For so many years of so many characters that you've played, and specifically in the courtroom, that one character has become so huge, so larger than life, that कभी कभार खुद से ही मुलाकात करते वक्त एक ऐसा लगता है कि wow, what have I created? एक हक की लड़ाई लड़ना जिसकी आवाज आप बने, ना केवल फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए बल्कि हम सब के लिए. We became addicted to you because हम जानते थे you're a righteous man as a character, whatever you played in your previous roles also when you became a lawyer. And real life too. How does that affect you, sir? Does that affect by any chance of the work that you've done and somehow people comparing that in the future or with Ikka also? क्या लोग करेंगे?
देखिए, हम एज एन एक्टर हमें कभी कुछ नहीं पता होता कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं और कहाँ तक जाएंगे. कहानी आती है, कहानी अच्छी लगती है, कैरेक्टर इंटरेस्टिंग होता है और फिर कोशिश करते हैं कि उसे हम अच्छी तरह से निभाएं. और मेरे साथ तो हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि जब पिक्चर ख़त्म भी हो जाती है उसके बाद जब मैं देखता हूँ मुझे लगता है यार मैंने ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, लेकिन जनता या बाकियों को पता नहीं होता, तो जब वो तारीफ़ करते हैं तो लगता है चलो बच गए. बट डेफिनेटली इट हैज़ बीन, आई मीन, मैं कभी अपने आप को सोचता नहीं कि मेरे इतने साल हो गए हैं, पर कुछ फ्रॉम पास्ट टू ईयर और 2 सालों की इतनी बातचीत होगी कि अभी मेरे दिमाग में घुसना शुरू हो गया है कि इतने साल हो गए हैं. आई जस्ट फील आई एम स्टिल द सेम एंड आई वुड लव टू डू more and more films and get more and more interesting characters. Or it all depends on, definitely now I've started with Netflix doing films over here, and I'm sure I'll be progressing over here as well and reach out to the world out over there. Or kya bolu? Thank you very much to everybody who has loved me and our whole family. Thank you very much.
And we continue to do that, Sunny sir. We continue to do that. Actually thankful that you chose this character, and we're all looking forward to it. Diya ma'am, to you also, when you choose this character, first of all, you and your association with Netflix is deep. It's been going on for many years, and abhi aur bhi aane wale waqt ke andar there are more projects that we'll be seeing you. Ikka, specifically, storyline, and like we discussed, beyond courtroom, the family dynamics. I want you to tell us a little bit more about that, how you chose this.
First, tell me, am I going to get into a lot of trouble for slapping Akshay Khanna on screen? I am very scared.
Ma'am, wo sound
because
effect
he has a phenomenal fan following. I am terrified. I was like, हाय रे, ये तो ट्रेलर में डाल दिया, मुझे बहुत मुश्किल होने वाली है.
And that was the first scene she shot with him.
Yeah, and imagine the first scene I have shot for the film is that scene with Akshay Khanna.
बहुत जोर से आवाज आई मैम, वो पता नहीं साउंड इफेक्ट है कि रियल है, लेकिन बहुत जोर से आवाज आई है.
खैर उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे. We would like for people to be convinced that it is true. है ना sir? You know, when Tilly said it's taken her 25 years, I just realized this is my 25th year as well. And she's so damn right. Some days feel like the last 25 years have been preparation for the parts that we are playing today. And I feel so much immense gratitude for platforms like Netflix, for democratizing a system, for giving artists dignity, for giving us platform and voice and strength, for telling stories that, you know, entertain, engage, but also matter. And I think Ikka is going to be a ride. It's a very enjoyable, interesting film that has the, you know, the language that people are familiar with and enjoy, but it also has an integrity that really roots it into the emotion of the characters. And Daria, who is playing our daughter in the film, is magic. We had cast her in a short film called Asmani.
Thanks to Dia. Dia actually showed me.
And when I read the script, I said, you have to audition this child. She is beautiful. And you will see her magic when you watch the movie. I have goosebumps. And I think, yeah, I think there's a truth and an integrity that all of us are able to bring to the story, which is what makes it very, very genuine and relatable and enjoyable.
Yeah, and I'll take back something from this. They mentioned कि 25 साल में जितना कुछ किया तो उसके टुकड़ों को बुना के ही this character बनाया, something that you have
वो
gained.
हमेशा होता है ना.
It's been amazing.
Yeah.
What a way to think and approach your art also. Tilly, of course, Tilotoma, we've always, apart from me knowing you personally, we've also, as your viewers have known, that the choice of projects that you do, the choice of characters that you always pick up, has always been something inspiring. Specifically with this character, I'd like to know a little bit more about what excited you the most about this one, and how did you approach this? Did you bring in your years of theatre also into it? How did you approach this character?
When Sid called me and he said it's a film with Sunny Deol and Akshay Khanna, so I looked at my phone. कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है, कुछ क्या हो गया भाई? मुझे लगा कि कुछ तो प्रैंक कॉल होगा ज़रूर, बिकॉज नेटफ्लिक्स से कॉल नहीं आया था, सिड से डायरेक्टली आया था, तो मुझे लगा ज़रूर कोई मतलब दोस्त होगा, ऐसे कुछ कर रहा है, यू नो, जोक मार रहा है. बट देन इट वाज रियल, एंड आई हैव नेवर प्लेड अ लॉयर, एंड ये पहला मौका था टू, यू नो, to create something new, to learn a new language. And we grew up watching very few films. हम किताबें ज़्यादा पढ़ते थे, फिल्म्स कम देखते थे, बट दामिनी देखी थी हमने. तो it was too much to think that there's, and then to have a callback to that line in Damini, and there's just many things that are very new for me. But I really am so thankful to Netflix for an actor like me, who didn't come into the city knowing anybody, and casting directors saw you divided the world between actors and stars. In that kind of very polar environment, to have Netflix give me a home, to work with the actors across the spectrum, and then to erase these lines that divide us and keep us in boxes. It's really such a fine feeling that in my lifetime, I could be part of an industry that was that welcoming, and of course I was a bit nervous about how I have a lot of scenes with Sunny sir. Now what if he doesn't like me, or you know, he doesn't want to look into my eyes? I don't know how, you know, the big stars do. So I didn't want even to say hello to him. Even when he walked in, I was sitting, I was like, चुपचाप बैठे रहो, and जब एक्शन बोलेंगे तब काम करेंगे. हाय हेलो बोलने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, मतलब वो चिढ़ जाएंगे, कुछ और हो जाएगा. And then Sid insisted that I go, and you know, it was, I know there are many emotions attached to an actor like this, to a legacy like this. But I looked into his eyes, and if you have ever seen a cow's eyes, they're very kind. And I really felt like, my God, he has really kind eyes, you know. I forgot about everything else. And then we have a scene in which his eyes again, I have another story, but that's for another day. Yeah.
And also making her do those slow motion shots, which she was like,
He said एक ये सीन करना है
heroin.
जिसमें सनी सर
She's
अपना
had
जैकेट
hero shots.
हाँ तो ये कभी मुझसे कभी किसी ने करवाया नहीं है एंड ही सर ये शॉट होगा वेयर आप अपना जैकेट डाल रहे हैं गेटिंग रेडी फॉर कोर्ट सनी सर अपना जैकेट डालेंगे कट टू यू
बैकग्राउंड बजेगा.
I think it's there also. It's a very good shot.
I couldn't, I thought he's pulling my leg for sure. But we actually did it and actually दिखने को भी आज मिल गया. So it's just too beautiful.
Tilotoma,
yeah?
you've just said the 2.5 kilo ka haath wala dialogue in the trailer. You know what's going to happen right after that. The legendary dialogue, the legendary line. You've taken it.
I hope Sunny sir doesn't mind. Otherwise, Baki, I can take anything else. हाँ, Sunny sir, you're okay ना with the line?
Yeah, I just loved it. Remember when you were doing it also? मुझसे बात कर रही थी. Mona, go ahead and do it.
The smile
And
says
you
it all.
nailed it.
Bolna, Tilly, just say that, no? Kya? And speaking of lines, Sunny sir, dialogues are something that make it a film. And जिस किस्म से इक्का के अंदर भी the kind of lines are really, really powerful. Any of your favorite dialogues that have stayed with you? इक्का के dialogues के बारे में, writing के बारे में, what did you feel?
यार मेरे को चीज़ें याद नहीं रहती. मेरे को कोई डायलॉग बताना कौन सा बोलूं?
Sid?
हम कोर्ट में जीतने के लिए नहीं, हक के लिए लड़ते हैं.
हम कोर्ट में जीतने के लिए नहीं, हक के लिए लड़ते हैं.
As powerful as it gets every time, and some great dialogues. And if you have Sunny Deol sir in a film or dialogues अगर अच्छे और तगड़े मिल जाएं तो I think सोने पे सुहागा हो जाता है. Again speaking to Diya with you courtroom dramas जहाँ पर हमेशा of course like we spoke about focus is always on lawyers. The family aspect that you spoke about, the wonderful actor who played your daughter in this film, the kind of relationships that one sees, I mean your relationship, I don't want to reveal much about the film, but your relationship with your multiple characters, how does one balance it out? क्योंकि आपको मालूम है that this film is a courtroom drama, but the family emotion needs to stay alive. How important is that? To keep the family emotions alive for...
You're an actor, so you know that, you know, we have a process of identifying either a word or a line that anchors the part that we're playing. And that doesn't change in any room or with any character. That is what brings, yeah, it just, you know, is that steady presence and force. It was very interesting for me because my first day of shoot was with Akshay. And he is a powerhouse performer. I'm in awe of him. And it's a very tough scene. And it flew. It just went like that. And it's, you know, one of those rare moments where you're like, kya maza aaya yaar. But it was like playing cricket. And it was just so nice to also see appreciation in him for what he was receiving in the scene, because he may have thought that I'll come into it in a certain way, and then he was surprised with what was happening. So it was fun. With Sunny sir, because I think there is so much history as an audience, I was very overawed. I was really overawed by him, and I was terrified. I was shaking like a leaf. आपको पता नहीं है ये. मैं बड़ी कूल लग रही थी, पर मैं बैठी थी ना, इसके लिए आपको दिख नहीं रहा था. मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी. और पहला सीन गाड़ी के अंदर बिठा दिया दोनों को. और उस गाड़ी के सीन में इतनी हिस्ट्री नज़र आनी थी हम दोनों के दरमियान, जो वर्कशॉप से आता है, प्रेपरेशन से आता है, और हमने कुछ नहीं किया था. हमारी मुलाकात भी नहीं हुई थी. this is the first time I was meeting him in person, and it's the first scene that had to deliver layers of life lived and shared with this human being. But it just happened. He is the kindest, the nicest, the most open human being to work with. He just embraces you. And मैं इनको फ्लैटर करने के लिए नहीं कह रही हूँ, ये हकीकत है, आपको दिखता है, लेकिन ये जो एहसास करवाते हैं अपने हम साथियों को या
पूरी
उनके
unit को, पूरी unit
सबको,
को, yeah.
but most importantly the people that he's working with also, like as an actor, I didn't feel a moment of hesitation. You remember that one scene where I had to like hold you, and I asked you, can I hug you? And he started laughing. He said, "Kya sawal hai ye?" I was like, "नहीं पूछ लिया." But it was magical, and I think मैं तो बचपन से माँ ही हूँ. That's a very natural instinct that I have. I have a very strong maternal instinct, and I revel in it. It's something that I really, really cherish. I think it's special, and motherhood has, I think, in many ways really opened that up even more, because before that I had an idea of what it would feel like to be a parent, but now I feel it in every cell and bone of my body. So I think that brings something to the interactions that I have with the child, and it's been such a wonderful ride.
And it's a blessing, Diya. It's, yeah.
She actually.
I mothered you also,
Yeah,
but
a lot.
yeah,
A lot. You still do.
Jagat Janani.
Still do, but we would sit on the scene, discuss the lines. She would make it her own, and then after feeling it, she would go and go all for it. With Sunny sir, it's the same thing. He needs to feel the line. He needs to feel the emotion. He says, "मैं उसको अपना बना लूँगा, तब वो delivery आएगी." I've realized that वो delivery तब आती है जब उन्होंने अपना बना लिया इस line को. Then because he's all heart, and all, you know, like Tilotoma said, his eyes speak volumes. So जब उन्होंने वो line को अपना बना लिया, then even if he's not saying anything, his eyes are acting and giving you magic. So I've noticed that with both of them. Yeah.
Wow, super. What an amazing conversation.
Can I say
Yes,
one word about
Please.
our director?
Please do, Diya.
Because I don't think we've said enough about him. He is the most wonderful, gentle, patient person I have worked with. You know, he's worked under enormous stress, and it's not been easy to make this movie. There's been all kinds of hurdles, but he never lost his center. He never let us feel what kind of pressure he was under. And it was just, he's also so receptive to what you are able to bring. So, you know, एक होता है ना कि मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ, ये मुझे ऐसे चाहिए, वो कभी नहीं था. He's very open to seeing what your interpretation is of the line, the moment, the scene. And we've had many chats with him, and we've done scenes very organically and beautifully. So thank you, Sid.
Thank you, Diya. Thank you. And thank you for mothering me and all of you all. And Sapna, who's not here, because this would have not been without Sapna and the entire team at Alchemy. Yeah.
But you were in great hands also. और इतने साल
All the women who were there to like
Hold your hand.
hold my hand, and I would smile and say it's all good.
and you pulled
You
it.
see, end of the day, a film is a film because it's a director. So we just have to see that we work in that parameter and we don't go outside that, and that's what it is. And I think he's done a great job, and I'm sure you're going to love it.
It's amazing, and to be work. देख सकते हैं कोर्ट रूम आपको मैं भूल नहीं जाऊं, क्योंकि आप एक कोर्ट रूम में हैं और ये सामने आपके जो कैरल रखा हुआ है, ये किसी खास कारण से यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. आपसे एक सवाल पूछा जाएगा, और बस एक सवाल आपसे और मैं पूछने वाला हूं, जिसके अंदर मुद्दा यह है कि सर, क्या इस मुद्दे को कोर्ट तक ले जाना चाहिए? अगर आपको, मैं एक मुद्दा उठाऊंगा, आपको लगता है कि अगर उस मुद्दे को कोर्ट तक ले जाना चाहिए, तो आप गैवल उठा के यू विल बैंग इट. ठीक है सिद्धार्थ सर, आपकी बात करी तो आप ही से स्टार्ट करते हैं. आप पे चार्ज है पहले लाइट दे दूं आपको, एक सेकंड। हाँ, आप पे चार्ज ये है कि फिल्म का बजट अप्रूव करने से पहले भी आपको घर की फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर सपना जी से क्लियरेंस लेनी पड़ती है।
All the time.
How was that working with her and how?
Sir, all the time. Sapna decides everything in my life. क्योंकि अभी 30 साल हो गए हमें, तो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, होम मिनिस्टर, सब कुछ वही है, वही डिसाइड करती है और उसी के इट्स ऑल द एंड देन इन नेटफ्लिक्स मोनिका एंड रुचिका डिसाइड।
बहुत अच्छे, चलो ठीक है, ये तो चलो गैवल बैंग हो चुका है। तिलोत्तमा जी, आपसे सवाल है, चार्ज है आपके पास, प्लीज देख लीजिएगा आपको करने के लिए। चार्ज है कि आप हर रोल में इतना घुस जाती हैं कि असली तिलोत्तमा को ढूंढने के लिए सर्च वारंट निकालना पड़ता है। शुड वी टेक दिस मैटर टू कोर्ट? What's with that reputation that, oh, we've gone in with that? But that is something that you would be proud of, isn't it?
Haven't you seen her stockings? I mean, just check them out. She brings the real Tilottama wherever she goes. You can't miss it.
Dude.
Mantra.
Tilly, this is amazing. Okay, sir, sorry sir, हिम्मत नहीं हो रही लेकिन फिर भी बोल देता हूं। चार्ज है कि आपके घर का खाना इतना फेमस है कि देओल फैमिली में मीटिंग्स कम डिनर प्लान ज्यादा बनते हैं। शुड वी टेक दिस मैटर टू कोर्ट?
फैन से पूछता हूँ, क्या लगता है आपको? क्या करना चाहिए? कोर्ट में ले जाना चाहिए कि सबको खाना अच्छी तरह से खिलाना चाहिए?
सबको खाना है कि नहीं खाना है किसी दिन? बट
अरे घर पे लोग खाना खाने आते नहीं है, घर पे लोग मिलने आते हैं। जब मिलने आते हैं तो खाना ऑटोमेटिकली सबके लिए होता है।
बिकॉज बहुत चर्चे हैं आपके डिनर प्लान्स के एंड देओल फैमिली के फूड लव के बारे में, बट विल स्पीक अबाउट दैट सम अदर डे ऑल्सो। दिया मैम, आप पर चार्ज यह है कि आपने ब्यूटी विद ब्रेन्स का बेंचमार्क इतना हाई कर दिया है कि कंपनीज अब हायरिंग के लिए ऐसे क्राइटेरिया बना रहे हैं।
वाह, सुपर।
What should I do with the camera?
हम ही कर देते हैं।
ले लो।
प्लीज मैम, पहले आप बोले।
एक तो ये ब्यूटी विद ब्रेन्स वाला जो टर्म है मेरे को बहुत ऑफेंसिव लगता है क्योंकि ऐसा क्यों लगता है लोगों को कि अगर लड़की खूबसूरत है तो वो इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हो सकती? वो दोनों हो सकती है ना, मोनिका को देख लो। तो
पैजेंट वाले क्वेश्चंस अभी तक चल रहे हैं।
हाँ, so that itself should be a mudda that should go to court.
बहुत अच्छे भाई, ये हुई ना बात। व्हाट अ ग्रेट स्टेटमेंट, एब्सोल्युटली। मोनिका मैम, आप पर चार्ज है कि नेटफ्लिक्स ने इंडिया का बेड टाइम परमानेंटली पोस्टपोन कर दिया है। बस एक एपिसोड और, बोलते बोलते सुबह के 2 बज जा रहे हैं। शुड वी टेक दिस मैटर टू कोर्ट?
एक्चुअली नॉट एट ऑल, क्योंकि हम तो दिन में भी आपको देखने का वो एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल, आप दिन में देखिए, बस सारा टाइम देखते रहिए।
वेल सेड मोनिका। एंड मेरे सवाल इसी के साथ जज साहब खत्म होते हैं। मैं सवालों की तरफ बढ़ना चाहूंगा। सवाल अगर ऑडियंस की तरफ से कहीं से आना चाहे, यस सर, कैन वी आल्सो पास ऑन द माइक्रोफोन ओवर देयर सो दैट वी कैन हियर यू प्रॉपर्ली? Where is the voice coming from?
Hi.
Right over there. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Please, do you mind please getting up if we could see you?
Yeah. Ashu from Filmy Beat, and firstly, congratulations to the entire team. What a fab trailer we just witnessed. And my question is to Siddharth Malhotra, sir. Courtroom drama as a genre itself is very challenging. What was your biggest challenge in creating this courtroom drama with such ensemble star cast? And what did each of this brilliant actor bring to the world of ICCA?
I just, in a way, answered that. But the biggest challenge for me, ma'am, was like I said, when you have Sunny sir, Akshay sir in a film, there is a certain amount of stardom and fandom that they bring. So you have to catch the right tone and pitch with Diya, with Tilottama, on also the film that I'm trying to say, because I have a certain language of storytelling, may it be Hitchki, may it be Maharaj. So to keep that sensitivity and to keep the characters human and real and not go so melodramatic, that was the challenge, finding the right sur to the film. और उस सुर में कहानी को कहना और किरदारों को सच्चा रखना ताकि इफेक्टिव व्यूइंग हो जाए, एंड ऑल्सो टू कीप इट रिलेंटलेस. सो आई हैड टू कीप ऑल ऑफ दैट करेक्ट. जी,
Thank you.
My name is Monica. I'm from Hindustan Times. Nice to meet you all. The trailer looks great. My question is to Tiluma and Monica. Interestingly, Ikka looks amazing already. I want to know that why do you think that this was the courtroom drama that you wanted to do, and what was it like facing off Sunny Deol? Because obviously आपको 25 साल भी लग गए, आपने starting में कहा, and also he is a fierce man on screen. So what was that something that was very interesting about him that you loved? And Monica, why did you think that Ikka was something that needed to be on Netflix, on streaming? Because this also feels like something that could be seen on big screen as well. Thank you.
I think, there is this polarization or hierarchy that is seen. Oh, this film looks too good, so it should be a theatrical. Or this film looks too intense and, in world, so it should be on streaming. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I think good films are good films. And streaming per, the kind of audience that you have now on streaming, it's the largest set of audience, whether in our country or whether across 192 countries and counting. There is an opportunity for our talent, our storytellers, our actors, artists, music directors, everybody to actually be able to showcase their talent. Streaming is also, I feel it gives an opportunity to a range of artists to come and, share their talent with their audiences, their fans. This was a story which is very immersive, it's very intense, it hits all the right notes of emotion, justice, and we were very excited to make it as our biggest Netflix original film. And I think just the size and scale of audience available on streaming today, I think this film deserves it.
Hello? Hi.
Just
Neetu
a second,
Singh.
ma'am. Just a second, ma'am. Tilotoma, you want to take that question?
Yes, thank you for asking. I'd never played a lawyer before. As an actor, one is hungry to do things that one hasn't done before, because you tend to get cast for the last thing you did, because people don't want to take a chance. If she did that well, let's just milk that cow until the cow has nothing more to give. And I didn't want to get bored doing something I love so much. So that was the reason, one big reason for saying yes. The second reason for saying yes was, at my age, I want to like the people I work with. And because if I don't like them, I can stay at home, I have a beautiful home, and I have a beautiful family. And I don't need to leave them and go to work with people I don't respect. And I really respect Siddharth, our director, and I respect him because we don't know each other at all. We are not friends, we've never met before. But right from the first call, the care, the respect I felt, I was very grateful for that. There was no talking down, even though, you had actors and stars like, Sunny Deol and Akshay Khanna and Dia Mirza in a film. I was not made to feel like I was, decoration, a middle-class decoration, which I usually get cast for. It was, a woman, a strong woman. And so that was another powerful reason to do it. And I think the third was that I have not done a film of this kind of grammar and this kind of pace. And my husband really told me, if you want this marriage to last long, please stop taking yourself so seriously. And please do some comedy. So for his sake, I wanted to do something with comedy, which was not this film, but like action and a thriller and high octane. And Ikka satisfied that. So for the sake of my marriage, that's another reason. And of course, the wonderful actors and my loyalty to Netflix. In many ways, they bet on me when others didn't. Yeah.
थैंक यू।
सनी जी, सच में एक ट्रेलर बहुत कमाल है, आपकी टीम को पहले बधाई। और मेरा एक सवाल आपसे है, क्योंकि एक दामिनी को रिलीज़ हुए बहुत साल हो गए, आपने अभी भी मंच पे कहा कि वकील का जो आपका किरदार है वो उसके बाद से आपने की नहीं है, मुझे लगता है 33 साल से ऊपर हो चुके हैं। उसके बाद दामिनी का वो लॉयर का किरदार इसमें हमें देखना तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आपके लिए कितना अलग था, और जो आपके डायलॉग हैं 2.5 किलो का हाथ वो तिलोत्तमा ने कहे हैं, वो आपके लिए कितना कुछ अलग था, और आपने कुछ उनको टिप्स दिए इसके लिए, ये मैं जानना चाहूँगी आपसे। 2.5 किलो के हाथ को ये डायलॉग
कहाँ क्या बोलूँ मैं, कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, मुझे इतने सवाल हो गए कि मैं सवाल ही भूल गया। दामिनी जब मैंने की थी वो फिल्म, वो राज संतोषी था और हमारी पूरी टीम थी, मेरे दोस्त थे जो फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे, और उस वक्त मैं चाहता था कि मैं भी इस फिल्म में हूँ, और मेरा उसमें कोई रोल नहीं था, तो एक छोटा सा कैरेक्टर था उनके हिसाब से, तो उन्होंने कहा तुम करोगे? मैं ज़रूर, मेरे को आई वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म। लेकिन कभी ये अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि वो फिल्म इस तरह से होगी और मेरा कैरेक्टर ऐसे बन जाएगा, लोगों के दिल में बैठ जाएगा, मुझे कुछ उसका अंदाज़ा नहीं था। और इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ आई एंजॉय डूइंग फिल्म्स इज बिकॉज आई वांट टू डू द कैरेक्टर्स एंड आई डू नॉट नो हाउ फार आई विल रीच और आई वोंट, बट उसकी जर्नी इतनी खूबसूरत होती है कि दैट इज़ माई हाई। और दामिनी ने आप सबको उस फिल्म का फ़ैन बना दिया, और बट उसके बाद मुझे हमें मौका नहीं मिला फिर से कुछ इस तरह का कैरेक्टर, इस तरह का कोई रोल आए। और जब सिद्धार्थ ने मुझे ये कहानी सुनाई तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। और अगेन वक्त लगता है कि पता नहीं कब कौन सी फिल्म बनती है, ज़माना बदलता रहता है, और अचानक नेटफ्लिक्स आई, उन्होंने कहा हम ये बनाना चाहते हैं, ना वाज देयर। और रही बात 2.5 किलो के हाथ की, आई थिंक जब हम ये डायलॉग की बात कर रहे थे, मैं बोला आई मीन it plays to the gallery definitely, but it is something which we're going to do it, and she did it beautifully. And she made it her own. Yeah, it is her own because she said it.
Hello Tia, hi, Jaya here from Galata, India. See that there is an emotional journey as well, you know, of the family, not just the courtroom drama. I really want to ask you as a mother, did that hit you differently?
So it's a character that anchors the story, and it's always really, really interesting to play a part that anchors the heart of the story, and it can go in any direction actually. But it was wonderful. I really enjoyed every moment. It was tough because there was a lot of raw emotion. There were lots of, I mean, the octave of many of the scenes is pretty high in terms of just feeling the moment. And I think for me, some of the most special moments are the silences that I share with my daughter and I share with my husband. And I really, really enjoyed that scene with Akshay Khanna. It was so much fun. Yeah, I really missed out on doing a scene with Tilly. Yeah, I was like, Sidhu, koi flashback ka scene nahi ho sakta, where we could, you know, have.
But she's not just a mother in the film. She
no,
has
she's a
much
lawyer.
more.
She's an ex-lawyer.
She's an ex-lawyer.
She's a thinking partner.
Yeah.
She's a very, you know, she's a woman who's made her choices, and they're very, and many of her choices have been difficult, as is common for most women. So I feel like a lot of her lived realities are truths that we all share as women. And yeah, it's always nice to be able to play parts that are honest. Thank you.
Hi, Diya. Here. Hi. Here.
Hi.
Hi, Bhavneet here. Just want to ask you, जो यहाँ पर सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं, everybody is saying दिया ने जो ट्रेलर में वो अक्षय को दिया है, everybody is talking about it. I just want to know that how are you actually feeling, क्योंकि अब यहाँ से बाहर निकलने के बाद everybody is going to talk about it.
I don't know if everybody is going to talk about it. I'm actually more worried about how I'm going to get, like, am I going to be in trouble? Because I'm very scared. His fan following is so incredible.
Why
when you
so,
see
why
the
are you
scene,
so worried?
Why?
You're playing my wife in this
I
film.
know now.
एक नंबर.
You shouldn't talk like that.
I have queued this line 3
No.
times waiting for you to say this. I don't know why it took so long.
Me too. I was waiting. When is he going to say this? Woman, you don't have to worry.
Exactly. And that's really the answer. That it's so interesting how fiction and reality interweave and just kind of coexist. And it's a very beautiful thing. So in that moment, I felt extraordinary awe, but I also felt extremely powerful. And it's a very, very beautifully written scene. It's a very sensitively written scene. It's again a scene with a lot of layers and nuance. And yeah, when you watch the film, call me. I'd love to know what you thought about that scene, okay?
सनी सर, हाय, दिस इज उपमा फ्रॉम नवभारत टाइम्स. मैं ये कहना चाहिए कि आप खुद जो हमारा बॉलीवुड है, जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है, उसका भी इक्का हैं. आप भी और इवन बॉबी सर भी. आपके बहुत सारे यंग फैंस यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि उनके लिए अगर आप कुछ ये बताने के चाहें कि जब आपका वक्त नहीं चलता है तब भी खुद पर वो भरोसा रखना कि आपका सिक्का एक दिन ज़रूर चलेगा. क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, वक्त तो हमेशा चलता है, कभी रुकता नहीं है.
जी बिल्कुल.
बस कभी कभी आप सो रहे होते हो, कभी आप जाग जाते हो. और फैंस वेट कर रहे हैं कि कभी वो उठेगा ताकि हम फिर से शोर मचाएं. बहुत प्यार करते हैं सब लोग, ढेर सारा प्यार.
Sunny sir, this is Simran Singh from G, the third left. Congratulations to everyone. Trailer looks really fantastic.
Thank you.
Sunny sir, मेरा आपसे एक सवाल है. जिस तरीके से we love the turnaround with Jat and Border 2 and Gadar 2, everything. Similar, जैसे आपको इतना प्यार मिला वैसे अक्षय खन्ना को भी इतना प्यार मिला है. And आप इतने साल बाद आ रहे 29 years later. How do you look upon to his trajectory as well? Because now everywhere he is everywhere.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? मैं लास्ट
जिस तरह ਤੁਸੀਂ इतना मतलब ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, मतलब Border 2, Jat है सारा, उस तरह ਹੁਣ अक्षय खन्ना ਦਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ turn around ਹੋਇਆ with Dhurandhar, what do you want to say about it, to his trajectory, and you're coming after 29 years, his career has taken to a new heights.
I think it was high time. It's just जैसे मैं पहला भी कह रहा था कि वक्त का कुछ पता नहीं, आपको काम करते रहना चाहिए. Never give up, just keep doing it, and I think that's what Akshay was doing. And when the time has come, and he's now flying high, and he deserves it much more. And I'm so happy for him because ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਕੱਠਿਆਂ ਨੇ border ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ, and that was the first time he was working with me. Neha ਸੀਗਾ. We had a great equation over there because he was Vinodji's son. And ਹੁਣ ਫਿਰ ਤੋਂ ਮਿਲੇ after so many years actually. I have not met him before that. Just imagine the gap we had. And it was so lovely. It was just felt like going back to the earlier days. And he's a lovely guy.
Even on set, the love and respect from his side to Sunny sir is always there. Always there.
सत श्री अकाल भाजी, मेरा नाम अभिषेक फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़. सत श्री अकाल भाजी, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. भाजी आपसे पूछना था कि एक पंजाब के लड़के का सिक्का पूरे बॉलीवुड पे चल चुका है. अब ये पंजाब का सिक्का पंजाबी सिनेमा के लिए क्या करेगा एज एन एक्टर और एज अ प्रोड्यूसर इन द फ्यूचर?
देखो, जब मेरी गदर फिल्म आई थी ना, लोग कह रहे थे ये पंजाबी फिल्म है, इसको डब करो.
ट्रू.
उसको कोई खरीद भी नहीं रहा था, तो पंजाबी फिल्म है, ये कौन देखेगा? तो आई थिंक बेसिकली फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट वी ऑल आर इंडियंस, एंड डेफिनेटली मैं पंजाब ਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਹਰ ਕਿਨੇ ਕੈਰੈਕਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪਨ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਨਾਲੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹਰ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰਾ ਭਰਾ ਹੈ. बहुत प्यार मिलता है.
थैंक यू सो मच बाजी. एंड वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर तिलोत्मा. हाय तिलोत्मा. तिलोत्मा, जब भी कोर्टरूम ड्रामा होता है बॉलीवुड की तरफ से या ग्लोबल सिनेमा की तरफ से, तो बहुत सारी इंस्पिरेशन देखने को मिलती है फ्रॉम ग्लोबल सिनेमा और फ्रॉम द बॉलीवुड. आपकी नजर में कौन ऐसा इंस्पायरिंग कैरेक्टर है फ्रॉम एनी कोर्टरूम ड्रामा अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड?
There are many courtroom dramas, 12 Angry Men, a film that I love, and there are many like that. But I don't like to watch another film as a reference or an inspiration for a film I'm doing, because then you start wanting to imitate. And because we are human beings, our brains are like sponge, na? like आप एक sponge को पानी में रखोगे वो तो पानी खींच ही लेगा. So I prefer not watching. And for this film, the inspiration was the script, my director, my co-actors. But I love the genre of courtroom drama, and I think, yeah. Thank you.
देखिए पापा, मैं हमेशा पापा का बेटा हूँ, वैसे ही रहूँगा, बस इससे आगे कुछ नहीं.
Hello.
Hello. Just a second, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes, sir.
My question is to Monica, ma'am. Congratulations for getting these two iconic actors together. Last time when they came together in Border, the film became pan-Indian because before pan-India was a term. So I wanted to ask you, apart from being a cinephile, it brings a lot of nostalgia, but what were your initial conversation with these two actors? Must be very profound and purposeful. And what does it mean for you?
I think it's truly special for us to be able to bring them together. And when we got excited about the script and we were all discussing the cast, I think those are the names that Sid had in his mind also. We were also, I mean, we always knew that, we wanted Sunny to play Ikka. And we were figuring out who the other person should be because it's such a pivotal role and how it plays off Ikka. And that's when we discussed Akshay's name, and we were very excited, and everything just one by one fell into place. I think the entire cast of this film, the entire ensemble, every role you'll see, even the smaller parts, have been played by such fantastic actors. It's a world of these amazingly talented actors. It's a very tight, intense story. It has a lot of ups and downs and twists and turns, and it really takes you on a journey. So, which is why I said that Ikka is a very special and very big film. One of our biggest, in fact, the biggest Netflix original film, and I hope all of you, जब आप ये film देखेंगे, तो you see it as a strong commercial entertainer, but with a heart and layers and वो जो depth होना चाहिए characters में.
Hello, Siddharth sir over here. Sir, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you,
sir. आप तो पहले ही रिलीज होने के पहले विनर बन गए हो, क्योंकि आपने 2 बॉलीवुड के इक्के को डायरेक्ट किया है. पिक्चर का नाम इक्का है. सो मुझे ये पूछना था कि 2 दिग्गजों को जब डायरेक्ट कर रहे थे तो आपको कुछ डिफिकल्टीज आई बिकॉज बोथ वर लाइक इक्काज?
नहीं, मैंने एक चीज़ समझ ली है, जब आप दिग्गज को कास्ट करते हो, अगर वो आप पे भरोसा करते हैं तो फिर वो आपके हो जाते हैं. अगर वो आपको वो ये देखना चाहते हैं कि इनिशियली पहले दिन 2 दिन कि डायरेक्टर को अपना काम आता है कि नहीं आता है, एंड इफ वी कैन ट्रस्ट हिम और इंटरैक्ट विथ हिम एंड हैव द फ्रीडम टू क्रिएट, तो वो मुझे होपफुली आई एम होपिंग दोनों के साथ जो मैंने काम निकलवाया है या साथ में किया है वो दोनों के साथ था. अक्षय के साथ वो इंटरेक्शन बहुत क्लियर थी. सर के साथ मैं वैन में चले जाता था, सीन डिस्कस करता था. सर ने 2-3 बार इस स्क्रिप्ट में बहुत से चीज़ें सर ने ऐड की हैं, जो उन्होंने सुन के बोला है ये क्यों नहीं हो सकता, ये क्यों नहीं हो सकता, वो हमने कराई है. तो उनके जो बहुत से उनकी जो खुद की एक्सपीरियंस है इतनी काम में आई है. तो ये स्क्रिप्ट मेरी नहीं है, जब सबकी हो जाती है ना तो फिर ऑटोमेटिकली आप दिग्गज से काम करो या न्यू कमर के साथ काम करो. यू मस्ट बी ट्रू टू द फिल्म एंड द कैरेक्टर, एंड आई होप यू लाइक द फिल्म व्हेन यू वॉच इट.
Hi, Sunny Deol, Kabir here, on the right. Sunny ji, hi. My question is, it's a joint question for Sunny Deol and Dia. This is Kabir here from the Free Press Journal. I noticed something in the trailer. Thanks for the disturbance. Anyways, so I noticed something in the trailer. Both Sunny Deol and Dia Mirza both have sort of boxed, slashed, slapped Mr. Khanna. So how many takes did each of those take, since this is the trending topic of the season? Sunny ji, do not look at me like that. I'm already getting nervous. Yeah.
I don't think there's anything as a retake, and it is not something we actually hate one another.
Akshay doesn't do retakes.
Smartly answered.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. I mean, it's what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to do, and ऐसा कोई incident ही नहीं था. It's just so the impact on the screen is so good that's why you're asking me this question.
Thank you. Take care.
Hello. Hello, this is Vartika.
One more last question in. Last question in, please. Thank you very much. Last question in.
Hello, this is Vartika from Live Hindustan. सनी जी, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है. आपको और अक्षय खन्ना को स्क्रीन पर देखना हमारे लिए भी एक ट्रीट है. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि एज एन एक्टर जब आप उनके साथ सीन कर रहे थे तो कोई सीन ऐसा था जो देखकर आप अमेज्ड रह गए?
कोई सीन ऐसा था जो
देखकर आप अमेज्ड रह गए, मतलब कि आपको देख के ऐसा लगा कि वाओ कितने अच्छे से ये सीन किया है अक्षय ने?
देखिए, ऐसा तो कुछ होता नहीं है ना. कोई एक्टर ऐसे हम एक दूसरे के बारे में कुछ I don't know what to say, but definitely मैं यही कहूँगा कि पूरी पिक्चर आप देखोगे तो we have to amaze ourselves as a full character rather than one scene, because then you will enjoy the film. नहीं तो एक सीन ना के निकल जाता, पता भी नहीं चलता.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. And now, मांग रहे थे, डिमांड कर रहे थे, हट रही है भैया, अब भी हट रही है. आपने बोला हट ही जाएगी. टेबल और कुर्सियों का क्या है साहब, वो तो हटते जाते रहते हैं. Guys, can we have that up? Just give us 30 seconds and we'll be ready with this.